Okay, we're back on camera again. Hey, come out from the bathroom. Show yourself. I seen your head. Oh my gosh. This is my own home. Let me show you guys. There's nobody in that bathroom. Down right around here. Hey, where'd he go? Haha. I'll be in the closet. I know. Closet's a mess. It's a mess. I gotta clean up my tornado. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna sit out here. I'm gonna see if it happens again. Where's he at? Show yourself. Come out from the bathroom. Take your head around the corner. It's Michelle Cooper-Smythe. How you doing? How is everybody? What's up? Guys, I saw someone aiming at my bathroom because I saw a head peek around the corner 2-3 times. Now I'm going to videotape a little bit more, a little bit longer. I'll show you guys. Where'd you go? Where did Spirit go? He just peeked around the fucking corner. Excuse my French. Oh, there he is again! John,
what?
the top, it just peeked his head right above the corner.
Okay.
There he is again. He's doing it. Keep doing that so I can show your fans. Peek your head around the corner. I'm waiting. You're on video. It's okay. Don't be scared. What is that? Guys, tell me what this thing is. He's peeking his head around the corner of my wall. I've never seen that before. That has never, ever happened. Oh my God, look, watch this wall right here, just from this side all the way over. There's something peeking his head around my door wall, like, but over here in this area. Watch, just pay attention. Watch carefully. I got my light on, fan on, and he's still coming out. Peek. Peek your head around the corner. There's nobody in that bathroom. Nobody. The spirit's in here. I can tell you that. Hello? Whoa. Okay, alright. I'll show you. There is no. Oh, I felt something heavy. Okay, we're back. Every time they see me, I've been with you. Oh my goodness. That scared the living heebie-jeebies out of me. Oh shit. Guys, we're in trouble. Did you see that? Okay, I'm gonna turn out that light. Babe, do you want this light on?
Yes, baby.
Okay. Oh my God. What is that? Oh. Look again. I'm gonna watch. Oh. I'm watching for the bathroom. I'm gonna see something peek around the corner. Will come down below, guys. Tell me what you see. Just watch for the bathroom wall by the switch. By the light switch. It's for the hallway light. Peek your head around the corner. Show yourself. What the hell is it? What is that? Do it again. Watch, guys. Watch her in the corner. Right there, see? Right on this side. By the switch. He peeked his head around the corner. Peek. Just keep watching the bathroom. Okay? The other side is... That side's my closet. This side's my bathroom. Watch against the wall. Right? He just peeked around the fucking corner right there. Holy shit. What the... Do it again. You like being on camera? Come out. You got the energy. Come out. Stand in my hallway. I'd love to have an investigator see this. And this is nighttime here in Vegas. Watch it again, guys. Keep your eye out. Spirit's gonna come peeking around the corner. Peek your head. Come on. Around the bathroom door. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna harm you. Johnny's not gonna harm you. I just go in there to go to the bathroom, go take a shower, wash my hands, wash my mouth out every morning, every night. Hello? Who are you? How'd you get in my home? Must have followed me from outside when I was standing out there around the front porch or something. Oh, I hope he's a nice ghost. It's okay if you did, but I don't know if you need help. Watch very closely, guys. Don't let go of your eyes from that bathroom wall and where that light switch is. I see something real quick. Peek around the corner. It's kind of funny. I've never seen anything like it. It's awesome. Yeah, it's okay. You can do that. Come on. Please? Will you please peek your head around the corner, Spirit? Please? Keep your eye out, guys. Watch. I have to keep guard on the wall because I just put my camera against there just looking at it. This thing is peek around the corner. Freaked me out. Watch. Just watch. Give him time. Gather his energy. Who is it? Put your comments at the bottom. Tell me what that was. trying to keep the camera still. I'm sorry, I'm a little shaky. Try it again. Come on. Peek your head around the corner. Say hello to your fans, Spirit. I don't know if it's a male or female. It looks like a male. It's tall. Maybe. I've never seen anything like it, guys. I'm serious as a heart attack. It fucking freaked me the fuck out. Excuse my French. It freaked me freaking out. Flipped out when I saw it. I was like, oh my god, wait. It was real peek. Peeks right in the corner real fast, and then people right back in right by the door. And I already taken a bath, there's nobody in there. I shut you behind the shower curtain, there's nobody behind there. So where'd it come from? Where'd it come from? I don't know if it looks like a male, be a female, I don't know, but it's tall. Just keep your eye out. It was at the corner of the freaking door at the top of the... in the middle. He peeks his head out. But, come on. You can do it. Come on. Don't be scared. Don't be shy. I hope he's a good spirit. God, I hope he's a good spirit. Felt some kind of energy in that bathroom for a long while. We haven't been here 7 months. It's December 6th, 2019. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so shaky. That scared the hell out of me. That upgraded my nerves to no end. God. Talk about you guys think you guys have problems. I just found out I have a spirit in my house. I've never seen anything peek around the corner like that. Come on. Where are you? That was scary. Oh my goodness. John, go ahead and turn off the TV. There's nothing on.
Oh, it's going to be here pretty soon. It's still early in the morning.
What time is it?
4:16.
In the morning?
4:16
A.M.
a.m.
A.M. Yeah. News. News. Let's hear the news. Good morning, everybody. It lives in Vegas. If you live in another state and it's morning or afternoon, good morning. Have a nice day. God, come on. Have a great day. And please answer to my post if you guys can. I gotta get 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna try and keep this over 15 minutes. So I gotta get 1,000 subscribers so I can do a live stream. It'll be my first live stream. So guys, come on, give me heads up. Help me out. I love you, friends. I love you guys. This, I'm hanging at the bathroom because I saw a spirit peek his head around the corner. My bathroom. That's never happened. Never, ever happened. Don't know what it is. It was a blue round thing, peeks around the corner, and then goes right back in. My bathroom. My bathroom is haunted. Haunted, guys. You got a spirit in the bathroom. All up in my business. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Right? I know. Isn't that freaky? I go to the bathroom anyways. Hell with it. I gotta go. Shit, I ain't gonna wait for no fucking spirit. Give a shit. He sees it. Hey, first time a little sex education ain't gonna hurt, right? As long as you don't touch me.